Do you want to know how you can generate illustrations using Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate illustrations using Starry AI. Go ahead and open starry.ai on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click Create and you can see illustrations. Go ahead and click illustrations and you can generate illustrations in three styles: 3D, detail and flat. Go ahead and click illustration and now you can go ahead and choose the style and write the prompt over here, or you can just click on random prompt and you can see that it will be created. So go ahead and choose the prompt of your choice and then you can click generate. It will take some time. Your project is in queue and your creation is in line for processing, so it will take some time and then your illustration will be ready. You can now create the art and you can publish it in Starry AI. I hope this video about how you can generate your illustration was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.